In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose and apply fonts effectively in Microsoft Word. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Thoughtful font choices are a quiet superpower. They make your writing easier to read, more professional, and more visually cohesive without distracting from your message. The key is to keep things simple and intentional, so every element, from headings to body text, works together. Start by limiting the number of fonts you use. Aim for no more than 2 or 3 in a document, one for headings, one for body text, and optionally one for accents like captions or pull quotes. This restraint creates a clean, consistent look and helps readers focus on content rather than styling. Pick fonts that complement each other, and stick with them throughout. Prioritize readability. Serif fonts, such as Times New Roman, Garamond, or Georgia, include small finishing strokes that guide the eye, making them a classic choice for printed body text. Sans serif fonts like Calibri, Arial, or Verdana have cleaner shapes that often look sharper on screens. Think about where your document will be read, printed pages versus digital devices, and choose accordingly. Maintain consistency using styles instead of manually changing fonts, sizes, or colors line by line. On the Home tab, open the Styles pane and set your defaults for Normal, Heading 1, Heading 2, and any other elements you use. When you apply a style, every instance updates together, ensuring that all headings match and the body text remains uniform. If you need to tweak the look, modify the style once rather than fixing each section by hand. Keep font sizes appropriate. For body text, 11 or 12 point is typically the sweet spot. Headings should be clearly larger to signal hierarchy, helping readers navigate the document at a glance without overwhelming the page. Leverage Word's built-in themes for a cohesive look fast. On the Design tab, choose a theme fonts pair to automatically set coordinated heading and body fonts across your entire document. This is an easy way to establish a professional baseline in one click. Avoid overusing decorative or playful fonts. They can be fun, but in business or academic work they often appear unprofessional and can hurt readability. Save them for rare, intentional accents. If you're using a unique font, embed it so your formatting stays intact when you share the file. Go to File, Options, Save, and check Embed Fonts in the file. Just remember this can increase file size. Finally, try 2 quick shortcuts. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than or less than to bump font size up or down, and use Ctrl plus spacebar to clear messy pasted formatting and return to your default style. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.